They don't flaunt it. No Lamborghinis. No yachts. No flashy Instagram posts. But somehow they keep getting richer. Not because they work harder, not because they got lucky. And definitely not because they're grinding 14 hours a day. They've figured something out, something the average person never even considers. How to make money without effort, no, not in a scammy, too good to be true kind of way. In a systemized, legal, almost boring way, a way that prints income quietly, consistently. And sometimes even exponentially. This is how the quiet rich earn without lifting a finger. The misconception of hard work wealth. We've been conditioned since childhood to believe one thing. If you want more money, you need to work harder, but look around. The hardest working people often make the least, meanwhile the ultra wealthy. They often make the most while working the least. Why? Because they've escaped the time for money trap. They no longer trade hours for income. Instead, they've built systems, and those systems are the secret, the real engines of wealth. So what are these systems? They're quiet, they're often hidden in plain sight. And they fall into three major categories: asset-based income, automation, driven hustles, information capital. Let's break each one down. 1. Asset-based income. The quiet rich don't just earn money. They buy things that keep earning for them. Think about dividend-paying stocks, rental properties with managers, royalties from books, music, software, websites, or digital assets. These things don't require daily effort. You set them up once or buy them and they pay you over time. You sleep. They earn. That's the definition of not lifting a finger. Most began with small investments and stacked them quietly. 2. Automation-driven hustles. Ever seen someone sell a course, a product, or even digital art while they're on vacation? The quiet rich know how to build systems that run without them. A print-on-demand store that ships automatically. A YouTube channel earning ad revenue 24/7. An email list sending offers while they're offline. They don't touch these systems daily, they refine them, then let them work. If set up properly, a single automated system can earn more than a full-time job. 3. Information capital. This is the quietest and most underestimated wealth engine of all. It's not physical. How to leverage tax laws, how to use debt to build wealth, how to turn $1 into $10 with the right tool. This is where most people get stuck, because this kind of knowledge isn't on TV. But those who find it and apply it unlock lifetime leverage. This is why some people can retire in their 30s while others work into their 70s. Same country, same economy, different information. Why most people never tap into this? Because we've been trained to chase jobs, not leverage. Most people want to raise the quiet rich, want multipliers. They ask different questions. How can I get paid multiple times for one effort? How can I build something once and earn from it forever? What's the minimum effort for the maximum result? You don't need to be rich to start thinking this way. You just need to shift the goal from working harder to building smarter. How to start building quiet wealth? Here's a quick framework anyone can use. Step 1. Earn actively. Yes, work a job, freelance, do what you must to get income flowing. Step 2. Redirect part of that income. 70% live, 10% save, 10% invest, 10% learn. Step 3. Build your first passive income stream. Pick one. Start small. A digital product. A content channel. An affiliate blog. Step 4. Reinvest and compound. Take profits and put them back into new income streams or assets. Step 5. Let time and systems work. It's boring, but it's quietly powerful. The quiet rich aren't loud because they don't have to be. Their money works for them. Their systems never sleep. And their wealth builds silently. No burnout. Just strategy. If you're tired of chasing money, maybe it's time to start positioning it, because once you do, you'll understand what the quiet rich already know. You don't need to work harder. You just need to work once and get paid forever. If that unlocks something in you, don't forget to like and subscribe.